Prepare to unlock a world of comprehensive home maintenance and safety, where every task carries the potential to bolster your home's efficiency, security, and comfort. In this dynamic video, we unveil an extended array of semi-annual actions designed to protect your investment, streamline your living space, and empower your family with essential safety skills. Join us as we delve into an extensive lineup of proactive measures, setting the stage for a resilient, secure, and harmonious home environment. Semi-annual maintenance. Check for plumbing leaks. Prevent major water damage by routinely inspecting around kitchen and bathroom cabinets and toilets for leaks. Identifying and addressing minor leaks promptly saves you from potential large-scale repairs and preserves the structural integrity of your home. Check home for burglary prevention. Strengthen your home's security by identifying and addressing potential weak spots. This proactive approach to burglary prevention enhances your family's safety and deters potential intruders. Check water heater for leaks. Protect your home from potential water damage by routinely checking your water heater for leaks. Detecting leaks early prevents major issues and costly repairs, maintaining the integrity of your property and avoiding potential structural damage. Clean debris from window wells and sills. Ensure proper drainage and prevent pests by cleaning debris from both inside and outside windowsills and wells. This simple task maintains the aesthetic appeal of your windows and prevents blockages that could lead to water infiltration. Clean exterior windows. Boost curb appeal and allow more natural light into your home by cleaning exterior windows. Removing dirt and grime enhances the aesthetic of your home's exterior and ensures optimal visibility. Clean faucet aerators and shower heads. Maintain smooth water flow by cleaning mineral deposits from faucet aerators and shower heads. Eliminating these deposits ensures optimal plumbing functionality and prevents disruptions in water flow, contributing to a more efficient and enjoyable bathing experience. Clean garage. Optimize your garage's functionality and organization by decluttering in the spring and fall. Removing unnecessary items creates space for storage, vehicles, and projects. Donating items that are still in good condition is an added bonus that supports community and reduces waste. Clean out refrigerator. Preserve food freshness and maintain a hygienic environment by removing old items and those with expired freshness dates from your refrigerator. This practice promotes a healthier diet and reduces food waste. Clean oven. Preserve the quality of your culinary creations and maintain a pleasant kitchen environment by cleaning your oven. Removing built-up burnt food not only prevents odors but also ensures the taste of your dishes remains uncompromised. Vacuum bathroom exhaust fan grills. Enhance the functionality of your bathroom exhaust fans by vacuuming dust from their grills. By ensuring proper airflow, you promote effective odor removal and prevent moisture-related issues, contributing to a fresher and healthier bathroom environment. Fertilize your lawn. Nurture a healthy and vibrant lawn by fertilizing it when needed. Providing essential nutrients contributes to lush greenery and curbside appeal. A lackluster lawn might signal underlying issues such as nutrient deficiencies, water problems, or pest infestations. Flush out hot water tank. Boost your water tank's efficiency and lifespan by flushing out accumulated sediment. This straightforward task reduces strain on the tank, optimizing its performance and potentially extending its operational life. Moreover, it leads to energy savings by helping the tank work more efficiently. Get HVAC inspected. Ensure your HVAC system operates optimally by scheduling regular inspections. With HVAC systems accounting for a significant portion of monthly utility bills, these inspections catch issues early, promoting efficiency and preventing breakdowns. Choosing the right HVAC provider is crucial for a healthy system. Equipment. Get burglary prevention equipment. Proactively protect your home from potential burglaries by acquiring suitable burglary prevention equipment. These devices provide an added layer of security, deterring intruders and promoting a sense of safety within your household. Get fire safety equipment. Ensure you're well equipped to handle fire emergencies by acquiring the appropriate fire safety equipment. These essential tools contribute to a prepared and secure living environment. Get or check stove burner alert. Ensure kitchen safety, particularly for seniors or those who might forget items on the stove, by using stove burner alerts. These devices help prevent accidents and potential fire hazards, promoting peace of mind. Get or check water leak detectors. Enhance your home's protection against water damage by investing in or checking water leak detectors. These devices provide early warnings about leaks, helping you prevent costly and destructive water-related incidents. Perform seasonal cleaning. Declutter your living space in both spring and fall to eliminate excess items. This practice enhances organization, minimizes stress, and creates a cleaner, more spacious environment. Polish or wax floors. Elevate the appearance and longevity of your floors by polishing or waxing them. This practice not only enhances the beauty of your flooring but also provides increased resistance to stains and wear, ensuring your floors continue to shine for years to come. Home drills. Stranger drill. Prepare your family for unexpected situations by training them in proper actions during a potential home invasion. Practicing these drills fosters readiness and helps ensure everyone knows how to respond calmly and effectively. Earthquake safety drill. Prepare your family for earthquakes by conducting safety drills that instruct them on proper actions during these events. Practicing earthquake safety helps everyone respond effectively and minimize risks. 911 call drill. Ensure your family is well prepared to handle emergencies by practicing how to call 911 and other necessary actions during crisis situations. These drills foster quick and accurate responses, contributing to effective communication with emergency services. CPR and first aid drill. Empower your family with life-saving skills by conducting drills that teach proper CPR and first aid techniques. These drills equip your household with the knowledge and confidence to respond effectively in medical emergencies. Fire extinguisher usage drill. Educate your family on the proper usage of fire extinguishers for different types of fires through regular drills. This knowledge equips your household to act swiftly and decisively during a fire emergency, potentially minimizing damage and injuries. And there you have it, an exhaustive list of semi-annual tasks that lay the foundation for a well-maintained, secure, and harmonious home. By incorporating these actions into your routine, you're not only safeguarding your property but also fostering a space of enhanced well-being and readiness. Remember, your dedication to these tasks translates into long-term benefits, from cost savings to the assurance of safety measures in place. Embrace the transformative power of proactive home management, and experience the rewards of a home that thrives in every aspect.